మనం ఈరోజు సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ కెమిస్ట్రీలో సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ అనే పాఠంలో ఈ లెసన్ అనేది యూజ్ఫుల్ టు ఇంటర్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ టు డిగ్రీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్సో. సో ఇన్ సాలిడ్ స్టేట్ కెమిస్ట్రీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ వన్ is there, that is the Bragg equation. Bragg equation, WH Bragg proposed an equation. The relation between the equation give the relation between interplanar distance small d and wavelength of X-rays. So draw the diagram, you will get the 1 marks. In the case of neatly diagram, draw the and first plane draw than the horizontally. So here also one draw the horizontal line, that is the second plane taken as a, and we are going to passing to the X-rays on the this plane. So only we are consider the two planes and two X-rays we are to taking for our conveniency. So in the distance between the two planes we have to say the small d. So you are to draw this diagram. We try to understand the diagram also here. First X-ray, this is the, we are going to one by one discussion. Let first X-ray is diffracted from the point A in the first plane. This is the first plane, this is the first X-ray, this is the which one, first X-ray diffracted from the point A. So same you have to take the second X-ray is diffracted from the point B in the second plane. This is the second X-ray diffracted from the point B on the second plane. That point you have to remember, 2 point, second point right. Here out of this one, here first X-ray, here first X-ray and second X-ray, which is the more travel, second X-ray is more travel than the first X-ray. Second X-ray travel more distance than first X-ray. The extra distance is equal to the extra distance traveled with this second X-ray is equal to the, here you have to, that can be calculated by the this measuring this distance will measure, we will easily find out the how much extra distance second X-ray than the first X-ray. So in that purpose CB plus BD you have to take. So this is the B. So here path difference is equal to the integral multiplies of wavelength of X-ray. So here CB plus BD equal to n lambda. CB plus BD equal to n lambda. That point you have to remember, give the equation number 1. So once again, here WH Bragg proposed an equation. The equation give the relation between the interplanar distance small d and wavelength of lambda of X-rays. Here draw the diagram, first horizontal line, that is the first plane, second horizontal line, second plane. Out of two X-rays, two X-rays we are going to observation, first X-ray and second X-ray. First X-ray diffracted from the point A and second X-ray diffracted from the point B. Here second X-ray more travel, that more travel giving from the, we have to add the this line and this line, we will get the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Here the extra distance we are going to find out the distance between the CB plus and BD, we will going to measure that. Automatically we will find out the how much extra traveled that second X-ray. So here the path difference is equal to CB plus BD equal to n lambda. That also here in that purpose triangle ABC you have to take triangle ABC, sin theta equal to, here triangle ABC equal to one triangle is there, that is the opposite side by hypotenuse. So sin theta equal to CB by AB, that formula sin theta equal to that formula CB by D. So AB equal to how much, here small d, that purpose you have to put D. So here CB put here, D sent to this side, CB equal to which one, D sin theta, give the equation number 2. So next triangle ABD. So here also take the angle sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, opposite side what is the BD by AB. So BD by AB. AB very well known, that is the distance between the two layers. Here AB the distance between the interplanar distance, that is the small d, we consider as a D, small d. So here D, B put as it is, D sent to this side, BD equal to what is the D sin theta, give the equation number 3. Already equation number, me first equation what is the, we take the, that is the CB Here first equation already we know that is the very well CB plus BD, so equal to n lambda, that is the first equation. With 2 and 3 substituted in the equation number, which one? Equation number 1, that point you have to remember. Equation number 1 2 3, so equation number 1 2 3, and so what is the equation? CB plus BD equal to n lambda, that is the equation first one. So we know the very well CB equal to d sin theta, BD equal to d sin theta. D sin theta plus d sin theta equal to 2d sin theta. So finally we get the one formula, that is the n lambda equal to 2d sin theta. This is the Bragg equation. So what is the terms involved in this equation? N equal to order of the diffraction, lambda equal to wavelength of X-ray, d equals to interplanar distance. So this is the equation, final equation you have to remember. Simple in intermediate level and degree level also very important question. When we are going to attempt this question, you have to, what is the importance of this equation? This, by using of this equation easily we can determination of structure of solid states, that is the one of the concept, and so one of the interplanar distance also we can easily find out by using of this formula. What is the final equation? N lambda equal to 2d sin theta. In the case of examination purpose, you have to draw the neatly this diagram, will get the marks, and finally bring the equation, that is the n lambda equal to 2d sin theta, you will get the good marks. So this is the Bragg equation, very important.